Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about equivalent fraction. ठीक है? So equivalent fraction क्या है उसके बारे में बताता हूँ. So equivalent fraction क्या है? Fraction आपको दिया गया है, उसका corresponding equivalent fraction you have to find out. Means one fraction is given to you, you are going to find out another fraction. How? By multiplying or dividing its numerator and denominator by the same number. So that is called as the equivalent fraction. So again I am repeating, means the definition is one fraction is given to you, you are going to find out another fraction. How? By multiplying or dividing its numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay, then this fraction, the new fraction are called as the equivalent fraction. How? Just look at here. So now given fraction is given to you, what is that here? 3 by 4. So what I am doing, suppose I am multiplying this 3 by 4, same numerator, let's suppose I am multiplying 3 into 2 and here 4 into 2. Okay, the same numerator and denominator, the same number I am multiplying, that is 2. So 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. So this is one equivalent fraction. Okay, fine. Like this, another equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. एक दूसरा equivalent fraction देखते हैं 3 by 4. ठीक है, same logic. And what I am doing, let's suppose I am multiplying with 3. So this is the numerator, this is denominator. So what I am doing, 3 multiplied with 3. Again same number, that is 4 multiplied with 3. 3 should be the same number, you have to multiply. So 3 3s are, what is that? 9. 4 3s are 12. So 9 by 12 is also another equivalent fraction. So 6 by 8 is also one equivalent fraction. 9 by 12 is also another equivalent fraction. Okay, so like this. Another example, let suppose I am writing one more example. Let 10 by 15. Okay, now look at here, 10 by 15. Okay, this is the fraction given to you. Question is asking, you are going to find out the equivalent fraction of these fractions. Okay, how can you find out? What I told you, either you have to multiply or divide numerator as well as denominator with the same number. ठीक है, अच्छा suppose इसमें मैं डिवाइड करके देखते हैं कैसे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द सेम नंबर आई एम डिवाइडिंग द न्यूमरेटर एज वेल एज डिनोमिनेटर. लेट 5, मैं 5 से डिवाइड करता हूँ. सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, 10 डिवाइडेड 5, हियर 15 डिवाइडेड 5. ओके, सो व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग, दिस वन इज 2, दिस वन इज 3. ओके, सो 2 by 3 इज कॉल्ड एज इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ दिस फ्रैक्शन, गिवन फ्रैक्शन. ठीक है, अच्छा, और एक इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन इसका निकालते हैं. Now see कैसे निकालते हैं, 10 by 15. Okay, so 10 by 15, what I am doing, let suppose 10 is numerator, 15 is denominator. ठीक है, तो 10 मल्टीप्लाई किया 2 से, 15 को मल्टीप्लाई किया 2 से. So same number, that is 2, I am multiplying both in numerator as well as denominator. ठीक है, so 10 2s are, what is that, 20. 15 2s are, what is that, 30. So 20 by 30 is also the equivalent fraction of a given fraction. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे given fraction क्या दिया गया, 10 by 15. तो equivalent fraction आंसर क्या है, 2 by 3 as well as 20 by 30. So in this way you are going to find out any fraction is given to you. Simply you can easily find out equivalent fractions. Okay, ठीक है, thank you very much, thank you.